Hey YouTube, I'm finna do a haul. It's kind of like a big / small haul. I didn't really get that much stuff, but I went to Burlington and I had like a coupon or whatever, and it was like 20% off, something like that. And I got these curlers, and they're from Kind Air, and I do not like. I mean, they look pretty or whatever, but they don't get hot enough to me. I mean, like, they supposed to be like deep waver curlers or whatever. That's how they look. But they don't get hot enough for me. I mean, I'm sorry. These is a womp. So, what else did I get? I also went to Bath and Body Works, and they gave me this Saturday. They had some little thing or whatever. If you buy like $5 worth of stuff, you get this for free. And it smell okay. It smell like pumpkins, but it's not no smell like I would like, but whatever. Oh, it also came with, the top was like a mirror or something. See, that was cute. And then I went to I think that was Walmart, and I got a CoverGirl lipstick. This how I look, and that's my swatch. I don't know if you can see it because my skin's so light, but it's like a light pink, and I didn't know how it was gonna look on me. It looks okay, but I'm not a big fan of CoverGirl like that, because their lipsticks, it seems like it smears a lot on your lips, and it doesn't give it the full oomph that I want. So whatever. It's 200 sultry Sincere or whatever it says. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it looks okay. It's alright. It's not nothing I throw in the garbage can. Then I got this Revlon Photo Ready. I mean, I got it on my face now. It's okay. I mean, I had like a $5 coupon off for it. On the Sunday's paper, and this is how it looks. I already used it already, and what it has, these little holes. They like some kind of transparent holes, and you just push on it, and the stuff comes out on the sponge. And what I have it in is 400 caramel. I mean, that's like the darkest color it comes in. I think that's a bunch of bullshit and a bunch of crap, because they don't have colors like darker colors that, you know what I'm saying, we can use, black people can use. But it's okay. It's a little light on my skin, but it works for me. So whatever, boo. I mean, I put some on earlier. I mean, it's okay. It's not worth no $12, $13. That's why I got the coupon. It's not. It says it's a compact. Is this full coverage? I don't know if this full coverage. I know it's like cream. Oh, it says complete coverage. You see how I look, right? Okay. But it do say it's lightweight, to like a lightweight powder finish. So I mean, it's okay. It's alright. It's true to its word, but it ain't none of my favorites. Because I got acne, so I got some samples from the internet, and I got this Eucerin. They keep sending me stuff. And what else did they give me? This I got for my man. He said he don't want to use it. Whatever. Then they gave me, let me see. Oh, Victoria's Secrets for my birthday. $10 off. I might give me this bra. I don't know. But my birthday is coming up. It is on the 25th, so I will do a haul for that, hopefully. Hopefully I don't forget. And I got another little thing in the mail. It's from Dr. Ci:Labo. This is how it looks, and it's basically like a how you say like some stuff for your face, like cleansing and massage, enriched washing foam, moisture lotion, aqua collagen gel. You know, like it looks like that, but they gave me the samples. They gave me, this is the collagen gel. I don't know. Oh, and this is makeup remover, facial washing foam. So they gave me all that in this one pack. And then this is some more collagen gel. I guess I have to use all of that. Oh, I guess it's the moisturizer. Oh, that's moisturizer. So I'm going to be probably testing this out or whatever. There's a lot of moisturizers in here. They package it up real good. And these is basically a thank you note. And I guess they got a body boot, something booster in there, pre-moisturizing booster. So I'm gonna definitely be trying that out. I got some more stuff too. I'm finna look for it. I just be having stuff laying around everywhere. They done sent me about 4 of these. I did not want 4 of these little bitty ass earrings. I don't wear little bitty earrings like that, but I will rock them just because they sent them to me. But you know, I got this from, what was that, like freestuff.com or freemakeuporstuff.com, and I just don't too much particularly like some of the stuff they be sending me. But I got this from my mama. This is Ruby Kisses, and it doesn't, oh, here it goes. Shiny Peach. That's how it looks. I need to do my nails. I'm sorry it looks so crazy on here, but what I did my nails with was the Revlon nail polish, French mix, and this one has Miss Perfect, and the other side is like a peachy pink. I mean, not peach, pink, like a white pink and white, I guess, to make the nails stand out. I don't like it just because it has like a liquidy, real liquidy formula or whatever, and it doesn't, see, I hate when my nails look like that. That's just disgusting. I mean, it came out right on my feet. I mean, this is how it looks. This is how it looks on my feet. Hey, turn around. That's how it look on my feet, but I don't look like that on my hands. I'm just like, oh, I can't even really do that. I got another nail polish. I don't know where it's at. I just bought it too. This is my collection of nail polish. I'm not a real, you know, nail polish fiend like that, but like I said, I'm so unorganized right now. It's just pathetic. Because I just bought some more nail polish and I can't find it. Well, that's it, YouTube. See,